Hey everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining us again in the kitchen. I'm Allison and I'm from Bell's Farms, and for those of you who are new to us or who are just now starting down this journey of knowing where your food comes from, welcome. And what we do here is we do grass-fed beef, we do pastured pork, pastured chicken, and our son does eggs. Yesterday, I started showing you how to do buttermilk chicken. This is the buttermilk chicken that we did yesterday. If you weren't with us yesterday, the refresher is that we took this chicken, put it in this bag. I did not measure a thing. We put salt on it. We covered it in buttermilk and zipped it up. I took it out of the refrigerator about 20 or 30 minutes ago to let it come to room temperature. And now I'm gonna pop it in the oven to do the second step. It's super easy. So the first thing that you're gonna do is bring it over here, and you are going to just, let me get my pan. You're just going to rinse the chicken off. You don't even have to pat dry. You don't have to do anything. All right. Now, put the chicken in. Your skillet, whatever you're using. I recommend Lodge cast iron, of course. Always do cast iron. If you don't have it, you can do anything that you have there. Okay, now, come back over with your skillet. This is salt. I'm using pink Himalayan sea salt. You don't have to use that. You can use whatever you want, whatever you have on hand. I'm not measuring again. So just put this on your chicken. You can put as much or as little on as you need. You're not gonna lick the salt off the skin. All right, so you'll notice that I put the legs in opposite the handle. That's because the hottest part of your oven is gonna be in the back. You'll put it in like so. The legs will be in the back. That's the darkest meat. That is what's gonna take the longest to cook. You don't wanna cook the breast part super, super hot because it will get dried out. So now I'm going to put my chicken in the oven. And I put it on roast for 400 or at 410 degrees for about 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back and I'm going to bring this down to 350 degrees on roast, and I'll leave it in here for 1 hour. So 10 minutes at 410 degrees and then 50 minutes at 350 degrees. If you forget that, I have before and I've roasted it at 410 degrees. It's not a big deal. It just doesn't take as long to cook. And if you don't want to remember to turn it down and you just want to do it at 350 degrees, you can do that. It may just take 5 or 10 minutes longer. You want your chicken to be 160 degrees internally. That's the safe temperature for a chicken. So I will see you back here in about an hour and we'll finish this up. Thanks.